Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 2015 set 1 guys. The given question is consider a system with a byte addressable memory of 32 bits logical address. So they are indirectly saying the logical address length is 32 bits. Okay, so logical address is a combination of a page and offset, right? Yes, and they are clearly saying 4 kilobyte page size is there and the page table entry of 4 bytes each. So each page table entry is 4 bytes and they are saying the total size of the page table is 4 KB. Okay, so they are saying there are multiple entries and they are saying each entry size is 4 bytes and they are saying the whole page table size. Okay, so the whole page table size is 4 kilobytes. Okay, so if I divide it by 4 bytes, indirectly there are 4k entries, right? Yes, so there are total 4k entries in it. So now what they are asking is the size of the page table in the system in megabytes is. Okay, so indirectly they are asking the size of the page table, right? Yes. Okay, so I think I did a small mistake here guys. So let us analyze it again. Okay, so basically what is the address size guys? So the address size is 32 bits, right? So the total main memory size is 2 power 32, right? Yes, and what do we want to calculate here? We want to know how many pages are there, right? Because we already know that each entry in that page table is 4 bytes each. So if we somehow manage to find how many pages or how many entries are there, so if we multiply that entries with this 4 bytes, we are going to get the particular thing, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, so it is a 2 power 32 divided by, and they are saying the page size. So each page size, so basically this whole size of a page they are saying is 4 kilobytes. So this is a page size and this is a page table size guys. So they are saying page size is 4 kilobytes. So indirectly how many pages are there, let us calculate. So that is nothing but the number of entries, right? Yes, so here we are having 4 kilobytes. It is nothing but 2 power 32 divided by 2 power 2 plus 20. That is nothing but 2 power 10, right? Sorry, it is 2 power, it is, just give me a second, it is kilobyte. So kilobyte will be moving on to byte. So it is a 2 power 10 only. So it is a 12. So here we gonna get 2 power 20. So it is, there are total 2 power 20 entries, right? Yes. So if there are 2 power 20 entries or 2 power 20 pages in our whole main memory, indirectly how many pages are required guys? So indirectly 2 power 20 rows are required, right? So each row is of 4 bytes. So indirectly what will be the total size of the page table? It is just nothing but number of entries, that is a 2 power 20 into 4 bytes. That is nothing but this is indirectly MB, right? So it's 2 power 20. Okay, so it is nothing but 4 MB. So it's M, so it is a 4 MB, right? Yes, so they asked that value, that's it, right? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question, right? So the initial silly mistake which I was doing is I assumed this page size as the page table size guys. So that's the silly thing which I was about to do, right? Yes, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question, right? Yes. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.